So since my outdoor project is put on hold because again it has been raining and my wood is wet, I was cleaning my kitchen. I'm not done yet, so don't mind it. I still need to finish cleaning the blind and that. But I have a big project for us gardeners that once it's harvesting time and like canners and small kitchens, you don't know what to do with everything. So this is a project I have to show you. Okay, so I did this early spring. It's a Pulley system with just an outdoor garden basket, hanging basket. I sanded it down with a wire brush and painted it with just some spray paint, Rust-Oleum I did. And then I picked up, the first ones actually worked better because they fit better, but I just got these last week and it's late in the season, so they don't fit as well. But you can find those at any garden section and they're cheap, they're like $1. So I do suggest that if you are gonna hold a lot of produce in it, make sure you have something to protect it from the wire. But if you're gonna use it for like canning and do it real soon or something like that, then just a bag or something laying down works really well. And let's see, my kitchen's very small, so I have to have it in front of a window. If you're going to have perishables or stuff that'll ripen, just do a couple to where you can use it pretty quick, like if you just go to the grocery store and pick up stuff. But this is a 2-level. You can always do a 1-level or a 3-level. Like I said, my kitchen's small, so it's like not too bad. It's kind of close to the faucet, but I did that. There's the pulley, and I did an S-hook, and then woo, okay, yep. And then I did an I-hook, I think they're called. I forgot. There, and because of the way my kitchen's set up, I had to do another. It's not an S-hook, it's like an infinity hook. And then tied it there with just a planer hook with the clasp that holds it. And then I just undo the clasp and hold the line at the same time. And then lower it. And down it comes. And then I can reach in. And actually where it's at now, I can just reach in now, but I'm short. So this is my new project that I wanted to show you. I actually did it this spring, but I'm very proud of it. I think it adds a little splash to my kitchen. And that's about it. Hope you like it.